When will it be done?
Just in time for all your friends to have a piece.
Friends?
My friends are coming over to play.
Oh. Well, you must be very quiet then, because Mother Bear is going to be paying bills this morning.
And Father Bear is going to be reading his newspaper.
We'll be very quiet. I promise.
Good.
Shh.
They're here! Sorry. Hi, everybody. Come in.
Hi, little bear. It's my favorite kind of weather. Maybe we should go outside and...
Duck, this is terrible weather.
I'll say.
And Little Bear has invited us to play inside today.
Oh!
Come on. Let's play with the seashells Father Bear brought home.
Shh. Shh. Hello, Father Bear.
Good morning, Hen.
Hello.
Cat.
Hi, Father Bear.
Hello, Duck.
What's wrong with Father Bear?
Father Bear likes quiet when he's reading the paper.
What?
Shh. Shh. Remember, if we listen carefully, we can hear the sound of the ocean.
Ah, I hear it.
You do?
I do. Too.
Shh! I can't hear!
I can't help it.
What's wrong?
He has the hiccups.
Very observant, Hen.
Shh.
Let me get you some water, Little Bear.
Ah, that's better.
Water always works.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late. Have I missed anything?
I guess you don't bother to knock anymore.
Thank goodness Owl is here. He'll know what to do.
About what?
Water won't stop my hiccups.
Well, now, let me think. Water is a good idea, but he must hold his breath too.
How can I hold my breath, too?
Well, you could try. Trying never hurt anybody.
For how long?
For as long as it takes. Longer. Well,
It worked, Owl. No more. Oh.
maybe you didn't hold your breath long enough.
This always works.
What did you do that for?
I was trying to get rid of your hiccups. Go ahead. You try it on me.
Come on.
See?
But you never had them.
Oh my! Someone is at the door. I wonder who it could be.
That was fun.
The things I do in the name of friendship.
I bet we made the hiccups go away.
You're right, Duck. My hiccups are gone. Oh.
It was a good idea.
Some idea.
Well, Owl, your idea didn't work too well.
Cat's idea didn't help either.
Excuse me, but I read about that technique in a very famous book.
What book? I've read every book in the library.
Oh, please. You think you know everything.
I can read.
Oh my!
Enough! How can I read with all this noise?
I was only hiccuping.
What was that?
Hiccuping. I was only hiccuping.
Hiccuping? I can't hear any hiccups.
But I was hiccuping.
All right, hiccup for me. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, hiccup! Well, I guess you can't hiccup anymore.
My hiccups are gone.
Wonderful.
A brilliant idea, Father Bear.
Ingenious.
Smart, too.
You can still stop them my way. Little Bear didn't really try. You just have to know how to do it.
That's right. You just have to know how to do it.
Now, who wants pie?
Us too.
I'll have a
Father Bear, wake up. Wake up. When is Father Bear getting up? He promised to play with me today.
That's right, he did. They taste much better when they're baked.
When can we eat?
When Father Bear gets up.
That'll be never.
He has to get up at some point.
I hope so. Father Bear promised to play with me.
Yes, you just reminded me of that.
Unless he forgot.
Oh, no. I don't think he has.
I do. everything's ready for playing.
Is it my turn yet?
Not until Owl's ride is over, Cat.
Is Owl's ride over now?
Yes, Cat.
Hi, everybody. What are you doing?
We found a magic carpet that's going to take us to faraway lands.
To Egypt.
And India.
And Ohio. Owl discovered it on the riverbank.
We're going on an adventure.
Would you like to join us, Little Bear?
Sorry. I'm supposed to be busy today.
You can't come with us?
To Egypt?
India?
Or Ohio?
No, I better get going. Father Bear and I have a date. If he ever gets up.
Oh well, it's my turn to ride anyway.
Is he up yet?
Not yet.
Oh.
You must be patient, little bear.
Mother Bear, I need a glass of water for Father Bear when he wakes up. Uh-oh. I need a cloth. Quick!
What have you done, little bear?
Just a little accident. Interesting. Whoa! Oh!
Now, little bear, I hope you haven't forgotten about our date today.
Of course not.
Good, because we're going to have quite an adventure.
Hey!
Breakfast is ready.
It's Mother Bear. Let's pretend we're asleep. Come on.
My, oh my. What sleepyheads. I guess Father Bear and Little Bear just don't want any breakfast today.
Hey!
I'm ready to go!
Good. So am I.
We're off.
Not without a hat, you're not. And where's your hat, Father Bear?
Let's go.
Goodbye. Have a good time.
Bye.
Bye. Where are we going?
How about as far as the road takes us?
Oops. Sorry, Mr. Turtle. I've got to move on.
Huh? Little Bear, you must be gentle with nature. And with me.
Up?
That's what it says, all right. What do you say we follow it?
All the way up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Father, don't step on the cracks.
Why not?
You must be gentle with nature.
We'll just have to cross this river, Little Bear.
I don't see a bridge.
No. No bridge, Little Bear.
Then we'll just have to wait for the riverboat. I think I hear the sound of the riverboat coming.
All aboard?
All aboard!
Full speed ahead.
Land ho!
Sound the warning. All ashore.
Thank you, Father Bear. You made a very good riverboat. Oof! Hello, Moose.
Mind if we pass through?
Don't mind at all. Just walk under me. I'm not going anywhere.
Thank you, Moose.
Don't mention it.
We must do this again one day.
Anytime.
We must be climbing a great big mountain.
It could be just a hill. You never know.
Oh no, I'll call it Sky Mountain, because that's how high it goes. We're as high up in the sky as the birds.
You could be right.
Look, I can see the top. I'll race you.
Okay.
The top of Sky Mountain.
No, the top of Pudding Hill.
I thought this was Sky Mountain.
You can call it Sky Mountain if you want to.
Really?
But Pudding Hill is nice too.
Come with us.
We'll show you some real mountains.
Go ahead. I'm going to rest.
Wait for me!
There they are.
Hello. Gee. Father Bear, the mountains are huge. Bigger than anything I've ever seen. Maybe even bigger than the sky. But I like it here on Pudding Hill.
So do I, little bear. So do I.
We had a great time. Good night.
Good
night.
Good night.
Come back to Pudding Hill again sometime.
We will.
Father Bear, this has been a very good day.
Yes, it has, little bear.
And we'll tell Mother Bear all about it, won't we?
Yes, we will.
Someday I'll climb mountains. Big mountains, little mountains, blue mountains, brown mountains, white mountains,